Woo! Hey everybody, so this is your long-awaited 1-year anniversary video. I thank you very much for sticking with me with that little bit of a delay there. But we are going to continue with the original plan that I had. 1-year anniversary. I looked up what does 1-year anniversary look like for people. And in the romantic realm of things, 1-year anniversary is paper. I guess that means that you would exchange paper gifts with each other. But I thought, what if I did something with paper? Especially since I am more art-oriented channel. And I was looking through my office art area and I found some of my old sketchbooks. So I know it's not a tutorial, but I thought, what if I took you through some of my old sketchbooks, some of my old artwork, and maybe you can see how I've progressed as an artist a little bit. It's just a snapshot. It's not my entire life. It's not every medium I've ever worked in, but I just thought it would be interesting to see that kind of background of me. So without further ado, let's get that started. And in a second, I'm going to change the camera angle here. So you're going to have that in 3, 2, 1. So I'm going to have to hold this by hand, so I hope you don't mind. But here is one of the sketchbooks. I have a second sketchbook. I'll try to just keep it to a few things in each of these, otherwise this would be like 5 million years long. This sketchbook, one of my graphic design artists gave me, I believe, as a graduation gift in high school. Let's take a look at what we have inside here. So here is the note from my teacher. I covered up her name in case she doesn't want to be, seen in this video, I guess. But yeah, maybe it left me a little heartfelt note in my sketchbook that I read every once in a while. So this is one of the first drawings in this book. It is from 2006. I was inspired by the idea of the phoenix. And so this is a phoenix with the fire coming up the side. Oops. With the fire coming up the side, and obviously my idea of a phoenix. All right, so this is actually interesting. This is me sketching out an idea for a cosplay that I actually never did. This is, I believe, a character from Digikarat. And so I was just kind of, let me come in a little closer here. I was kind of trying to sketch out ideas. How would I make her hat, which is pretty iconic in the in her illustration or in her character. I start listing out like materials I might need and how I might actually make this happen. So I don't even remember having done this. This was kind of cool to look at again. And oh, this is the dress part, how I would do her dress. And these are all from wire hangers to keep shape. Ugh, now looking at that, that would be a terrible idea. Wire is a good idea. Wire hangers are awful. Oh gosh. Unfinished sketch. I don't even remember what this was supposed to be inspired by or from. Her knee looks dislocated. Anyway, there's that guy. I don't even have a date on that one. So this is... oh, I'll have to turn this the other way. Hang on. So this is a sketch of So I think I did this in kind of anime style, where you start from the right side and go to the left, from top to bottom. So I used to drive a Beretta, so I was trying to sketch a Beretta being like pushed off a bridge by another car, and anime version of me driving and people like, oh my god, and then my car falling off the bridge and crashing. And I don't know what that is that's falling off. Maybe a tire and another piece. I don't know. But and do I have a date on this? I don't have a date on. Oh, no, I do. This is from 2007. So something must have been happening in my life that I was feeling kind of dismal and out of control of my life. What else we got? More darker artwork. Feeling like your flesh is melting off your bones. Monstrous version of a person with arrows going through it. Probably one of my moodier days. Again, 2007. This is 2008. And I was trying to come up with an original character, original outfit idea for a character. And this is what I came up with. This is, I think, both pencil and ink. Yeah. Another original outfit idea, which is kind of horrifying. What else here? This one, I think, this is a loose piece of paper I just have tucked into the sketchbook. This was inspired by a website called Gaia Online. You had these little avatar characters and you could dress them up with these things. Like you could buy outfits and dress them up. So I think this was an outfit that maybe I dressed my avatar up in at one point. Or maybe it was a goal outfit. I don't remember. But I'm pretty sure this was inspired by that. One of my first times using my quote-unquote name of EraRebirth was on Gaia Online. I think this was an original outfit I was trying to create. I do feel like while her hand looks broken, some of the proportions are a little better now. I don't know why she has a birthday cake. I don't have a date on this one. This is from... I purchased a bag at Goodwill or some kind of thrift shop situation, and I decided I didn't want it anymore and was going to try and sell it because it was a name brand bag, like not designer or anything, but it was a name brand bag. And for whatever reason, I decided that if I did a unique sketch to go with the bag, like for the listing, that it would sell better. And I mean, it did sell pretty quick, but I don't think my sketch had anything to do with it. Here is another Gaia Online character that requested that I draw her character. This was 2008. Ooh, this is an interesting one. Okay, hang on. I gotta turn the book again. Sorry, had to turn the book. So this is Starship Enterprise, I believe, pretty sure. Don't kill me if I'm wrong. I sketched this because I had wanted to incorporate this into a painting, and sometimes I find just sketching something can make me more familiar with it if I have to study each and every tiny little portion of it to sketch it. Here is another sketch of a painting that I wanted to do in 2012. This is another moody time, I guess, or maybe I think well, this is 2014. I don't know why I was feeling so moody in 2014, but apparently I was, because now I have a half skeleton, half human angel thingy. This was early November of 2014. More early November of 2014. Kind of half skeleton, half human fleshy thing. More sketches from cosplay. This is some of the sketches that I did for making armor out of foam for Link with his magic armor in Twilight Princess. And why does this look gross? Okay, I'll show you that in a second. Okay, more sketches for magic armor Link. That looks like a banana, but it's not. He has these like side fabric things that go on his hips. I thought it was a banana too at first. I'm like, why is it red? Anyway, so there's that. And then there was this piece of paper. I'm like, why is it all greasy? It's not greasy. I mean, it might be grease, but I was using this golden pen for I don't know what. But these are sketches for her light bow, Zelda's light bow now. And also her armbands. Let's keep going. Oh, okay, so rotate again. Okay, so this is the sketch of that half-dead angel concept. This is what I finally ended up doing for my painting. Like I actually painted on different canvas. So obviously this is not painted, but this is the final concept from 2015. I'm pretty sure that's the end. Whee! So let's go to the next one. One second. This is the next sketchbook. Just a regular wire-bound, spiral-bound sketchbook. And let's see what we got. No date, but we have a lady looking out from the moon. And some more concept sketching. Wow, I never thought I actually tried to draw Zelda with like the ear like that, but I guess I did. Okay. Okay, so this is from 2007, and this is my Gaia Online character, my dream avatar for my character. If I got all the pieces, she would be like this fire angel character. More sketching my character. Okay. Here's another sketch of my EraRebirth character on Gaia Online. My dream avatar, if you will. And I don't know why she was leaning. I think she was supposed to be leaning on like posts that were hanging or sticking out of a wall or something. But I don't know why this was the posture that I chose. I don't know what I was going to do with this, but there's that. That's from 2009. Oh, okay. So I was starting to sketch out ideas for a painting that I wanted to make for the dining room area. And this is from 2011. So again, it's just, whoops, it's just a sketch of like an idea. But it seemed too one-sided because it would just be this character, Mami Shiba, which was these beans that were really, not beans, like soybeans maybe? They were a really popular character in Japan for a little while. And is that the end? I think that's the end. All right, that's it. So I'm sure I have other sketches laying around here and there, but these were the two that I found and thought I would go over. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I also want to say thank you for 1 year on YouTube and for coming back and watching my content. If you liked, give this a thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment, all that kind of thing. All that really helps me out. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.